You're watching 12 on Health, and we have doctors' advice on how to be a smart patient. In fact, doctors recommend you keep your key medical statistics at your fingertips, whether they are written out or on your smartphone. It's all about being your own patient advocate. And doctors say, don't make the mistake of assuming any doctor you go to will be able to simply pull up your information.
The problem is that these electronic health systems don't talk to each other. So if you visit different doctors, go someplace where you visit an emergency room, they might not have access to this information. Cell phones make a great deal of sense.
In the time it takes to type a text or send off an email via smartphone, doctors say you can create a little cell phone log of your key medical information. Most important, your blood pressure numbers, your cholesterol, your weight, and the exact names of the medications you're on. This way you'll have a handle on your own health and any changes that occur. In addition, Dr. Michael Schwartz of Darien-based Soundview Medical says keep a personal health ID card in your wallet.
This is important because if you cannot give a history when you're brought to the emergency room, the doctors will go through your wallet. They'll go through your purse. They'll find this card and it might save your life.
Also, if you're overweight or have other risk factors for diabetes, doctors say it's a good idea to keep track of your blood sugar numbers as well. Well, doctors and nutritionists